What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the video a lot of you have been waiting to see. We're back at our friend's gas station here, the old Shell station, to see if we can redeem our fuel points for another free tank of fuel. Now, fuel prices have went up just a hair, so we're not going to get it for free, but I think we can get it for about 20 or 30 cents a gallon. And I don't know if you just heard that ding, but my fuel light just came on, so perfect timing. Now, our goal is to go over here, fill up our tank for free, or close to it, get our fuel, be all nice and friendly, and get out of here. But just in case our friend comes back out and has a fit again, well, we're going to show you guys that 100%. So let's go see if we can get our fuel. Let's get after it. This is Buster Radio Garage. Alright guys, we didn't get it 100% for free, but we got it to 42.9 cents a gallon. Alright, we're filling up. We'll see what we get up to. And I'm not going to turn this camera around today, just in case something weird happens. But we'll see what we end up filling up for. Again, we got it for 42.9 cents a gallon. There's the truck, the fuel pump, and we are good to go. It was normally 329.9 a gallon, so not too awful bad. I'll go ahead and spin you around real quick. If something happens, I'll spin it back around. But anyway, you remember how to do this. Shop at Advance Auto Parts. Give them your email or your phone number, redeem your points, and come over here and fill up your truck, car, tractor, whatever for almost next to nothing. All right, we're at 8 gallons for $3.40 some cents right now. And nothing from our buddy in there, so that's a good thing. I need to give this old girl a bath. Not too bad. 15 gallons for less than $7. Am I gonna get her filled for under 10 bucks? Let's see what happens. It's getting close. Uh-oh. Am I gonna get her filled for under 10? It's gonna be close. $8.58. Good deal. Yeah, everything's good, ma'am. How are you? Just redeeming the old fuel points. Filled up my truck for $8.50.
That's good.
It's really good. How are you today?
Good, good. You use your point like, how did you get there?
Just get fuel points to use in Advance Auto Parts. And then I redeem my fuel.
You talking about the auto parts?
Yep. Yes, ma'am. And then I come down here and use them because they're partnered up with Shell. And so Space saved me $57.40 today.
I've never seen it.
Yes, ma'am. You have a good day.
I used to have BP card.
Yeah.
I used to have a lot of money like this, but I don't have no Shell card.
Yeah.
I did have Shell card, but they didn't want to time they messed up my account. I canceled it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Well, you have a good day.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you. Thank you. Well, there we go, guys. Saved $57.40 on a tank of fuel. And no altercation today, which is awesome. So that's all we could ask for. Came, did what we wanted to do, I believe that may have been the owner's wife or a partial owner, not sure. But anyway, it was pleasant. Well, there you go, guys. You know, a nice peaceful resolution to the problem just today. We don't know what's going to happen next time, but I couldn't ask for anything better on how that was handled, especially by her. She just come out with civil, ask a couple questions. I was able to answer the best I could without, you know, it getting loud or people starting to have to put hands on each other kind of things. But look, you know, we'll see what happens next time, because I promise you, I'm going to go to that gas station every week and continue to do the same thing. I don't know if our buddy was there today. You know, to be honest with you, I'm kind of happy he wasn't, because I had GoPros mounted to the top of the truck and my phone, so if something went sideways, I had all the proof in the world. But, you know, anyway, we filled up our truck for, what, $8 this time, which isn't terribly bad. So, you know, we'll shoot for next time, try to get it again for that, you know, under $1 deal. But it is what it is. So, you know, till the next time, guys, you know, that's going to be it for this one. So, thanks for watching.